Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Quibranza Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District ng Lanao del Norte and now Governor candidate para sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, number 2 sa balota. I'd like to thank everybody who came out and supported Team Quibranza Dimaporo, especially for this first half of the campaign, sa mga proclamation rallies ng lungsod ng Kapatagan, Lala, Tubod, Baroy, Colambugan, Maigo, Kauswagan, Linamon, Balui, and Punapiaga po. Especially when we had our motorcade in the Iligan Aurora National Highway from Linamon to Kapatagan. There were so many riders, so many supporters, but most importantly, yung mga die-hard loyalists ng Team Quibranza Dimaporo coming out sa highway just to greet us as we pass by. Daghang salamat sa iyong pagsuporta. I hope during the time of Holy Week, we also spend time with our family and but also keep in our hearts and minds the most important thing, and that's our prayers to the Almighty and our Creator. And on my part, I always pray in every occasion that I get na ang lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte will maintain as a peaceful province. And secondly, also for this Holy Week, in my prayers, it will be that our 2025 elections will be as peaceful as possible and as violence-free as possible. Yan ang hangyo ko sa tanan, that we pray for everybody's safety, we pray for everybody's good health, and we pray for everybody's good rest. On behalf of Team Quibranza Dimaporo, on behalf of my family, yung mami ko, si Angging Quibranza Dimaporo, yung daddy ko, si Abdullah Dimacuta Dimaporo, and my siblings, we want to greet everyone Happy Easter.
Iboto, Khalid Dimaporo para sa gobernador.